Hey guys, so I have here my JBL LIVE300tws truly wireless earbuds, and today I want to show you how to perform a factory reset on these earbuds. So basically to bring them back into the original factory state. For example, it's going to forget all of the devices that it's ever been paired to. So at this point the earbuds are still connected here to my smartphone. And after the factory reset, this is not going to be the case anymore. So let me show you how this is done. And in the manual, this method is actually called out for as being the way to connect to a Bluetooth device. But if this was really the case, then it should not forget about all the previous pairings that it did before. Okay, so what we do is we remove the right earbud from the charging case. And then we take a look at the back side, and that's where you have the sensor. So either you cover the sensor with your finger or you just put the earbud into your ear. And now we double tap the touch sensor on the side, and after that we hold it for 5 to 10 seconds. And eventually the earbud is going to shut down. You're going to hear that. And after that it's just going to be powered off. So you also see that now the earbud is disconnected from my smartphone, and as soon as I put the earbud back into the charging case, it is going to start up again, and it's going to start up in the pairing mode. See this? The pairing mode is blue and white blinking, and so at this point the factory reset has been performed, and the earbud is not going to reconnect to my smartphone here. You see this? By this pop-up, it says it needs to be reconnected, repaired in order to be used again. Yeah, and this is already it here. We performed the factory reset on the LIVE300tws. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, leave a message below, and don't forget to check out my other videos about these earbuds.